In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve past paper Punjab University test MCQs, that is, let f of x is equal to x square sine into 1 divided by x square 0 if x is equal to 0. Then on the closed interval -1 to 1, f prime of x is solution, that is, first derivative of f of x is equal to f prime of x, so x square sine 1 divided by x square. So this is the product form. We use product rule. First function as it is, that is sine square derivative of sine into 1 divided by x square, derivative of sine x with respect to x is equal to cos x, cos into 1 divided by x square. So again derivative of 1 divided by x square is equal to -2 divided by x power 3 plus derivative of first function, that is derivative of x square with respect to x is equal to 2x. Second function as it is sine into 1 divided by x square. So numerator x square, denominator x cube, 2 times is cancelled, equal to -2 divide x cos of 1 divided by x square plus 2x sine into 1 divided by x square. By applying limit x approaches to 0, so f x approaches to 0, f prime of x is equal to -2 divide 0 is equal to 2 divide 0 is equal to infinite, cos of 1 divided by 0 is equal to infinite, cos infinite is equal to infinite, so which is equal to, after simplification, equal to minus infinite. So option D is correct, infinite and unbounded, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.